Hey everyone, Ipsy here. Today I am going to be making this little fidget toy. It is called a Click Clack. These are super easy to make and they only require you to have one extra item, and that is a hair clip. And that's what makes the clicking noise inside of them. Otherwise, you can use whatever hook and yarn and all that good stuff that you want. I will put the link down below. All right, and here it is all done. As I said before, these are super simple and easy to make. Pretty quick project too. Would be a cool stocking stuffer for kids or a small trinket gift as well. If you guys liked today's video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and tell your friends. I hope to see you all soon. Bye.